The privatisation of profits and the socialising of losses has got to stop. Lobbyists have hoodwinked the establishment into believing that the financial oligarchy must remain dominant for the economy to function at all. True capital is made up of skilled people, tools, infrastructure, and goods, nothing else. If these are protected, the economy can easily correct itself through tried and true free market practices. The reason this is not being allowed to happen is that it hurts the wealthy and their inflated casino financial system. But it is this casino financial system, with its endless wasted credit, which is the cause of the illness, and they will drag the rest of the economy down as they scramble with ineffectual means to somehow maintain their corrupted power base. The longer we allow this to happen, the more true capital, tools, infrastructure, skilled people, and goods will be destroyed. The credit bubble will pop, and when it does, money, or credit as it currently is known, will not flow, and the economy and society as a whole will grind to a halt. We need clear and bold measures to ensure chaos is averted and the economy and society saved from sliding into wasted physical capital, destruction, and human misery, while the wealthy scramble to pick up the remaining crumbs to hoard it for themselves. Issuance of a new currency, replacement of the old worthless currency with a new one, one-to-one replacement for monetary savings for each individual citizen up to a limited amount, say 100,000, with controls to ensure that the value of the new currency is stable to avoid any inflation. This ensures society, and thus one half of the true capital economy, can still function. Temporary issuance of credit directly from the government-controlled central bank directly to critical industries and not to private banks. Only against receipts for goods and wages to ensure goods used by the general population are still produced and distributed for consumption. This secures the second half of the true physical capital economy and avoids capital and social destruction. As the banking system will collapse, implementing a banking holiday will be required. To avoid nationalizing losses, a true debt equity swap will be required to recapitalize banks. All derivatives will be invalidated throughout the system, and the derivative market will largely cease to be. Any bank that goes insolvent after this recapitalization is nationalized to ensure the remaining assets are administrated, wound up to the benefit of industry and society and not insolvent practitioners. National debt is reduced or cancelled, and pure financial institutions that become insolvent are unwound, and their assets distributed to the shareholders as per normal old-school bankruptcy practices. Nothing is too big to fail in a true free market. In this way, the inflated credit economy is corrected, and the loss of wealth back to the true value is borne by the casino elements of the financial sector and not by individuals and true industry and physical capital. All the above measures have been correctly implemented and proven successful before. As extreme as they sound, it is nothing compared to waking up one day and finding you can no longer withdraw your own savings from the automatic teller machine. The question is how long the existing financial oligarchy can hold the failing system together, while they try to hoard what they can, while the rest of us watch as the true wealth of the country decays. These are green values: rights and responsibility, consequence borne by those who deserve it. Those are every man's values.